please welcome Igho Ose, founder of Gotofix Technologies.
Hi. How many of you here have a fix in your home that you've just been putting away because you don't want to deal with contractors? Some time ago, I had a leaky pipe in my basement, and I had to leave it for a little bit because I don't want to deal with contractors. And by the time I found someone to fix it, something that should have cost me just about $100 ended up costing me over $1,000. So for many homeowners, a small fix, it's a lot for them because they have to figure out who has the right skill to do the job, who is available when they need them to do the job, and even they don't even know if the price is right. And most importantly, you're not sure if it's safe to invite a total stranger into your home. So for homeowners, a small fix feels like a big problem to them. That's because the home service industry is highly fragmented. And at Gotofix, we are rebuilding trust into the home service industry. We are connecting homeowners to skilled, verified contractors with transparent pricing, real-time availability, and a security-cleared profile. So when you hire with confidence, knowing that we've handled all the screening, all the verification, and most importantly, we've handled everything that is giving you headache with dealing with contractors. So when you have a small fix next time, know that Gotofix is there with you. So if you're looking to have a chat to understand how we are rebuilding trust into the home service business, let's have a chat. Thank you.
Thank you, Igho.